Hey everyone, Adam here from Food and Fitness Always. Today we're going to be cooking a tomato risotto. So it's really simple, really delicious meal. Literally only a couple of ingredients are actually involved in making it. And the key to it really is just to season it, taste it, make sure that it's right. If it needs a bit more seasoning, add a bit more. And also stirring it regularly so that it doesn't dry out at the bottom. So let's get started.
These are basically the ingredients: basil and PUREE rice, tomatoes, tomato puree, passata, garlic, and an onion, and a bit of olive oil and seasoning, and vegetable stock. Just one.
What is she doing?
She's looking for a boyfriend. You alright, sweetheart? Good girl. It's really tomatoey. Yeah, really straightforward to make. A few ingredients. It didn't all stick to the bottom. So yeah, really good. You can have yours now. So that was the tomato risotto recipe. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments if there's any other meals that you'd like to see me do. If you do make this recipe, please tag me in it on Instagram. I'd love to see what your creations look like. Don't forget to subscribe for more recipe videos, and I will see you next time.
Keep stirring it, and then also you've got to make sure you keep seasoning it as well. So lots of salt. Can we do that again? The key to it really is just to make sure you keep stirring it so that it doesn't dry out at the bottom. And get down! You're so distracting.